students, now let us solve some examples here on same properties of integers and all. So example, give the example of three integer that are relatively prime but not relatively prime in pairs. Relatively prime in pair. Solution: 2, 3 and 4 are relatively prime because GCD of them 2, 3 and 4 is what? 1. But 2, 3, 4 are not relatively prime in pair. Are not relatively prime in pair. Why does that? Already we had discussed this definition. Relatively prime in pair because the GCD of 2 and 4 is what? 2, which is not equal to what? 1. Relatively prime in pair, for that, for any pair, if I take 2, 3, if I take 3, 4, if I take 2, 4, all the pairs should have GCD was 1. But here it is not as such, so these are not relatively prime in pair. Now let me take the next example. Next example is that given that GCD of A and 4 is 2 and that is equal to GCD of B and 4 also, then show that GCD of A plus B comma 4 is what? It is 4. This thing we have to show. Now to show this, there are two ways. Let me take both of them for you. So solution of this one can be given in two different ways. So given that, what is given to us? This part. GCD of A and 4 is 2. So what does this say? 2 divides A and 2 also divides what? 4. So this says A is equal to 2k1 and let it be equation number 1. And 4 is equal to what? 2k2. Let it be equation number 2. For some k1, k2, what? Integers. For some k1, k2 are what? Integers. And GCD of B and 4 is also what? 2. So this implies 2 divides B and 2 also divides what? 4. So what does this say? B is equal to 2k3. This is equation number 3 and 4 is equal to what? 2k4. This is equation number 4. For some k3, k4, what? Integers. Fine. Now adding 1 and 3. Adding 1 and 3 means these two equations. What we get? A plus B is equal to 2k1 plus 2k3. What does that? This is, we need it here, A plus B. That's why we have found it. Okay. Now also, what is GCD of A and 4 is 2. So by existence theorem, what we get? Ax plus 4y is equal to what? 2. Now this can be written as Ax plus, this 4 can be written as 2k2. 2k2 y is equal to what? 2. Call it as equation number 5. and what also, and this is also 2. So what does this gives? Again bx plus 4y is also what? 2. So this gives bx plus, let me take same, 2k2y is equal to what? 2. This is equation number 6. Now adding 5 and 6, we get, what does it gives? We get, adding 5 and 6, we get ax plus 2k2y plus bx plus 2k2y is equal to what? 4. So ax plus bx means what? A plus b into x plus 2k2y plus 2k2y is what? It is 4k2y is equal to what? 4. Now here we get, these are 2 integers and we have taken their linear combinations, and that is equal to what? 4. So this gives the GCD of a plus b and 4 is equal to what? 4, using the existence theorem. Now another type to solve the same question, let me take that one also, or I can say, or another way to solve the same question, or given that this a, the GCD of a and 4 is 2 and GCD of b and 4 is also what? 2. So this says 2 divides a and this gives 2 divides what? B. So what does this give? A is equal to 2k1 and here b is equal to what? 2k2. For some k1, k2 are what? Integers. K1, k2 are integers. Now if k1, k2 are even, if k1, k2 are even, then 4 divides a and 4 divides b. Now this says 4 is a common divisor. If k1, k2 are even, then these are multiple of 2. So 2 into 2, that will become 4. So that gives 4 divides a, and here also we get 4 divides b. So 4 will become a common divisor of a and b. Divisor of a and b and what? And of 4 also. So this says GCD of a and 4 will be greater equal what? 4. And GCD of b and 4 is also what? Greater equal 4. But we know GCD of a and 4 is what? 2. GCD of b and 4 is also 2. So which is a contradiction to the given thing. So which is a contradiction. Which is a contradiction to GCD of a and 4 is 2 and GCD of b and 4 is what? 2. As here we get the GCD of them is what? Greater equal 4. So this is a contradiction. Thus, why does this contradiction occur? As we have assumed k1, k2 are even. Means k1, k2 won't be even. Thus, k1, and k2 must be what? Must be odd. Thus, k1 and k2 must be odd. So, as k1, k2 odd, therefore, what is a plus b? A plus b is what? From here. A plus b is what? 2 times, I can say k1 plus k2. It will be 2k1 plus 2k2. We can take 2 common from them. So, k1, k2 odd, but k1 plus k2 will become even. So, it can be written as 2 into 2k. As k1 plus k2 is even and we had assumed that k1 plus k2 is equal to what? 2k. Addition of 2 odd number is what? Even. That's why these are even. So, this is equal to 2k means what? That is 4k. Therefore, what we get? 4 divides a plus b. So, means 4 is GCD of what? A plus b. And what? 4. Therefore, GCD of a plus b and 4 is what? 4. Now, whatever you want, you can write the first answer or the second answer, you will get the same thing. Now, let me take the next example. Next example is that show that GCD of a and a plus 2 is equal to 2 or 1 for any integer a if a is what? Even. It is either 2 or 1 for any integer a, while a is what? Even. So, solution of this. Suppose let us assume the GCD of a and a plus 2 is equal to d. So, we have to prove that d is equal to 1 or 2. Fine. So, if this is GCD, then this must divides the first integer and d also divides what? A plus 2. So, if what? Now, d divides a, or let me write first the claim. What is claim here? Claim is what? We have to show d is equal to 2 or d is equal to what? 1. Now, here this d divides a, so implies there exists some integer such that what? A is equal to dk1 and d divides a plus 2. So, that says there also exists an integer such that a plus 2 is equal to what? dk2. Now, let us substitute here the value of a. What happened? Look at here. A plus 2 is equal to what? dk2 with us. So, a is equal to what? dk1 plus 2 is equal to what? dk2. That is 2 is equal to what? Or let me write it as dk2 minus dk1 is equal to what? 2. So, d into k2 minus k1 is equal to what? 2. So, this says d into k is equal to 2 as k2 minus k1 is equal to k and that belongs to what? Z. Fine. So, this says d divides what? 2. d is a divisor of 2. So, as d is a divisor of 2, so d is what? Less equal 2. Therefore, but d is what? A GCD and it is less equal to, so it is either 2 or 1. So, this says d is equal to 1 or d is equal to what? 2. Now, this is the answer of this question. Now, let us go for the next example. Next example is that show that GCD of a and b is same as GCD of a, b and a plus b. GCD of a and b is same as GCD of a, b and a plus b. So, what is the solution of this? Solution of this one, let a and b, GCD of a and b is equal to d1. So, what does this say? d1 divides a and d1 divides b. So, that is same as a is equal to d1 k1 and b is equal to what? d1 k2. For some k1 k2 belongs to what? Z. So, now again let GCD of a, b and a plus b is equal to what? Suppose d2. So, therefore, by existence theorem or a linear combination theorem. Existence theorem, what I get? There exist some integers x, y, z. There exist x, y, z such that ax plus by plus a plus b into z is equal to what? d2. Now that is, this says d2 is equal to what? Let me put up the value of a here. d2 is d1 into k1 into x plus here d1 into k2 into y plus here again a is what? d1 k1 it will be into z plus d1 k2 into z. So what we can get here? d1 can be taken common. So k1 into x plus k2 into y plus k1 into z plus k2 into z. d2 is equal to this. Fine. So this implies d1 divides d2. Call it as equation number 1. Also GCD of a plus b is equal to d2. So that implies d2 divides a, d2 divides b and d2 divides a plus b. So this gives a is equal to d2 k3, b is equal to d2 k4 and a plus b is equal to what? d2 k5. For some k3, k4, k5 belongs to what? Z. These are in Z. Now also GCD of a and b is what? d1. So this gives ax plus by is equal to what? d1. For some xy in z. Now here this is d2 k3 x plus d2 k4 y is equal to what? d1. So this gives d2 into k3x plus k4y equal to what? d1. So this gives d2 divides d1. Call it as equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, what we get? d1 equal to d2. And d1 is what? The GCD of a and b. And d2 is what? GCD of these one. Therefore, we get GCD of a and b is same as GCD of a, b and a plus b. Fine. Now, let me take next example. Next example says, next example, prove that GCD of A, B and C is same as GCD of this AB with C. Also it is same as GCD of A with GCD of BC and GCD of B with GCD of AC. You can solve that one also. Now I am taking this one as an example for you. Solution. Let GCD of A, B and C is what? D1. GCD of A, B and C is suppose D1. Therefore, this gives D divides A, D divides B and D divides what? C. So, this gives A is equal to D1 divides A, B and C. So, D1 K1, B is equal to D1 K2 and C is equal to what? D1 K3. For some K1, K2, K3, what? Integers. Fine. Now, let GCD of A and B is suppose G. I am taking this. Fine. So, what does this say? G divides A and G also divides B. So this gives A is equal to GK4. Obviously G is different, so here the multiple is different. And B is equal to what? B is equal to GK5. For some K4, K5 are what? Integers. For some K4, K5 are integers. Now let this GCD of A and B G. So here I can consider GCD of G and C. So let GCD of G and C is suppose D2. So this gives D2 divides G and D2 divides C also. So what does this say? This says G is equal to D2 K6 and C is equal to D2 K7. For some K6, K7, what? These are integers. Now also GCD of A, B and C is what? D1. GCD of A, B, C, D1. So this implies AX plus BY plus CZ is equal to what? D1 for X, Y, Z belongs to what? Z. Fine. Now let me substitute the value of A, B and C here. Suppose what is A? Here, look at here. A is GK4. GK4, but what is G? G is D2 K6. So it can be written as D2 K6 K4 into X plus D2 K6. Here similarly for B, D2 K6 into K5 into Y plus what is C? C is this D2 K7 Z is equal to what? D1. Fine. Now what does this give? This gives D2 into K6 K4 X plus K6 K5 Y plus K7 Z, that is equal to D1. Now D1 is equal to D2 into some multiple, and this multiple is what? An integer. So this gives, what does this says? D2 divides D1. D2 divides D1. Call it as equation number 1. Now AB is equal to G. So this again gives AX plus BY is equal to what? G. That gives A is equal to DK1, B is D1 K2. D1 K1X, D1 K2Y is equal to what? G. For X, Y belongs to what? Z. Here itself that reason. Now here again, what does this give? So D1 we can take common. So this will be K1X plus K2Y into G. Equal to G. So this gives what? D1 divides G. D1 divides G. Call it as equation number 2. Now also GCD of G and C is what? D2. So what does this say? Gx plus Cy is equal to what? D2. So this gives D1 into K1X plus D1 into K1X plus K2Y plus D1 K3Z is equal to what? D2. So this implies D1 into k1x plus k2y plus k3z is equal to what? d2. So this gives d1 divides d2. Call it as equation number 3. Now from 1 and 3. Here I am using the value of g, here this value of g here. Fine. Now from 1 and 3, what we get? 1 and 3 gives d1 equal to d2. But what are d1, d2? d1 and this is d2. So what does the GCD of A, B and C is same as GCD of AB with C. So here we will stop now. We will take other examples in next video. Thank you.